It's been a few hours since I dropped my latest YouTube video on a groundbreaking moment in the crypto space. President Donald Trump just signed an executive order establishing a strategic Bitcoin reserve and a digital asset stockpile. Yes, you heard that right. This is where coins like XRP could play a big role. I've been trading crypto successfully for over 380 days, consistently closing every month in profit. In the last 90 days alone, my followers have earned over $29,000 in profits by copying my trades. Want to see my verified stats? Click the first link in the profile description and start copying my trades for free today. I went deep into the details in my previous video, so definitely check it out if you're craving a deep dive into this historic move. But today, I want to shift gears and talk about what's next for the market. Here's the kicker. Whether this executive order happened or not, the bigger picture doesn't change. XRP is set to take the market by storm. And by the end of this cycle, it's going to become crystal clear that XRP outshines Bitcoin as a smarter investment. I'm sticking to my guns on this, and I'll share insights from several top XRP chart analysts who strongly support this outlook. We've already seen phase 1 of XRP's rise. Remember when the US election wrapped up and the entire crypto market surged? XRP didn't just follow, it outperformed in a big way. Now, we're looking at a potential phase 2, and let me tell you, it's shaping up to be even bigger. I'm Matt Stonepacker, and while I'm excited to share my perspective, I want to be upfront. I'm not a financial expert, and this isn't financial advice. Before you buy or sell anything based on what I say or write, always do your own research. I'm just a crypto enthusiast who loves making YouTube videos about all things blockchain, not as a pro, just for fun. As I'm recording this, XRP is sitting at $2.49. But let's rewind a bit. Before the buzz about the strategic Bitcoin reserve, XRP hit a high of $2.61 before tanking to $2.39. Now, it's clawed back a bit. Bitcoin's story is similar. It soared close to $91,000, took a nosedive to $85,000, and has since climbed to just under $88,000. Classic sell the news scenario, right? If you're wondering why the market reacted this way, the timing matches perfectly. This is textbook crypto behavior. Buy the rumor, sell the news. I actually broke this down in detail in my last video, so I won't go too deep here. Just remember, in the wild world of crypto, this is all par for the course. Nothing's wrong. This is completely normal and doesn't change the bigger picture for the cycle. It's just how people react when major news hits. The best part? The real excitement is still ahead. Check out this gem from chart analyst Mustache, #altcoins. When USDT dominance drops, Bitcoin and altcoins rise. What we've seen in the past few weeks? A massive, undeniable bear trap. Alt season isn't canceled. It's coming, and it's going to be legendary. Why does USDT Tether matter? Because when its dominance declines, that money flows somewhere, usually into Bitcoin and altcoins. It's not just people cashing out, it's a shift within the market. As USDT dominance dips, expect Bitcoin to make a strong move upward. Bitcoin leads the charge, as it always has, and that's fine. No maximalist agendas here. After Bitcoin's run, altcoins follow suit, especially as Bitcoin dominance drops, which is inevitable. Take a look at the charts. It's all coming together. This insight comes from chart analyst TechDev, shared with his massive audience of 510,000 followers on X. At the top, we see Bitcoin's price, and below, Bitcoin dominance. Here's the interesting part. As Bitcoin dominance drops, meaning it takes up a smaller slice of the overall crypto market cap, the price of Bitcoin can still rise. Historically, it often does. But what's really happening? Money shifts out of Bitcoin and flows into altcoins. Why? Altcoins, being less liquid and smaller in market cap, can skyrocket more easily, doubling, tripling, even quadrupling in price. This creates a larger overall crypto market cap, further decreasing Bitcoin's dominance. If you look at the last two cycles, as Bitcoin made its big moves and eventually peaked, its dominance absolutely tanked. It's a fascinating dynamic that fuels the volatility and excitement of the crypto world. We haven't seen it yet. The idea that we'll wrap up this cycle without Bitcoin dominance taking a nosedive? It makes zero sense. It will drop. It's inevitable. To what extent? Hard to say, but it's going to happen. And when it does, you know what's next. Alt season. This time isn't different. Sure, I can't know it for certain, but honestly, no one knows anything for certain. It's all about probabilities, and the odds here are looking really good. Alt season is coming. TechDev put it best in a recent post. He highlighted how the no alt season chatter gets louder around this phase. Using the crypto total market cap, excluding Bitcoin, and his custom alt season oscillator, he showed that once that oscillator breaks back above a certain point, things tend to go wild. Just look at the last cycle. When it hit that mark, altcoins skyrocketed across the board. And here we are again, waiting for liftoff. XRP is already flexing its strength, setting the stage. The fact that XRP is already sitting at around $2.50 is absolutely wild to me. To see it holding this price level and showing such resilience against the broader market, when the best might still be ahead from a historical perspective, is mind-blowing. No wonder chart analyst Credible Crypto is buzzing with excitement. He recently shared a post with his 465,000 followers on X, and it's turning heads. In the post, he shared two charts, one for XRP and one for Bitcoin. His take, XRP is simply lagging behind Bitcoin, something we've seen happen before historically. If that pattern holds, he's suggesting XRP could follow a similar trajectory to Bitcoin's past moves. And the arrows on his chart, they point to XRP climbing to nearly $30. Credible Crypto has been vocal about his predictions, often saying XRP will hit at least $20 this cycle, possibly even soaring past $30. Bold? Absolutely. But if he's right, this could be huge. I hope he's right. I'm no expert, but it doesn't sound far-fetched to me. Here's a great take from Credible Crypto. XRP is still down about 15% from where I took profit on perp longs, but I'm starting to wonder if I'll get another shot at reloading below $2. Open interest has completely reset to pre-impulse levels after that massive 5x rally off the lows. Meanwhile, spot premiums are climbing steadily at these highs, and funding rates are even flipping negative. XRP is looking incredibly strong right now, and any dips we see are like gold. Oh, and check this out. Crypto Insight UK seems to be thinking along the same lines. He pointed out something interesting. XRP's funding rate has turned negative during this rally, which means more traders are leveraged short than long. Bitcoin's open interest shows a different story. Positive funding indicates more traders are long than short. In contrast, XRP's price action seems healthier during this upward move, potentially setting the stage for an explosive short squeeze down the line. What's fascinating is the unwavering optimism among the XRP chart analysts I follow. Literally none of them have doubted XRP's potential. These are the same analysts who accurately predicted XRP's recent breakout, and they remain confident that the second phase of XRP season is just around the corner. Take chart analyst Mikey Bull Crypto, for instance. He recently shared a chart with XRP/USD on top and XRP/BTC on the bottom, captioned with, "Hate it or love it, this chart is looking great for the next rally up." And honestly, I couldn't agree more. Last year, the XRP/BTC pair felt like an underdog story. It looked like it was stuck in the mud compared to Bitcoin, with Bitcoin maximalists shouting it down as proof of XRP's decline. But look at it now. The setup for another rally is undeniable, and the skeptics are about to be proven wrong. And the narrative kept coming. XRP is going to zero against Bitcoin. That was the kind of noise we had to deal with. Honestly, I couldn't help but laugh. I called it out in countless videos over the year. When XRP hits these low levels against Bitcoin, the market sees it as an opportunity, and it corrects itself. Sure enough, XRP rebounded, gaining significant value when measured in Bitcoin. I was confident this would play out throughout 2024. It aligned perfectly with historical trends. And let's not forget, XRP isn't just some random token. It serves a real, functional purpose. Speculators weren't suddenly going to throw their hands up and abandon it after a decade of growth. That idea just didn't hold water. Of course, things were bound to improve. Utility? Increasing. Community? Growing. Number of holders? Climbing. But somehow, some folks thought it was destined to go to zero. Because reasons? No. XRP was the most obvious play in crypto, and anyone paying attention could see it. The next phase, which I'm absolutely convinced is coming, feels even more obvious now. Maybe even undeniably so. Why? Because the uncertainty about XRP's role in the market is gone. While I always believed in its potential, some doubted. But now, it's clear. XRP is outperforming just about everything, making it easier for people to believe that its next big move is inevitable. We're not done here. Not by a long shot. And guess who agrees? The whales. Yes, those big money players are making waves, literally splashing into XRP like it's their natural habitat. Chart analyst Ali Martinez chimed in, revealing that whales snatched up over 90 million XRP in the past 72 hours. That's not a coincidence. Whales don't make rookie mistakes. They don't buy tops. That's a game for the crowd chasing FOMO, limping retail speculators, the so-called dumb money. Harsh, but true. Whales, on the other hand, the smart money knows when to exit. It's all about timing, but that's not what we're seeing right now. Keep an eye out for those top signals. They're not here yet. Meanwhile, chart analyst Ali Martinez points out something interesting. Bitcoin is consolidating within a triangle, potentially gearing up for a massive 20% move. And this isn't speculation from hours ago. This is fresh intel, just hours after the buzz about Trump signing an executive order to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Short-term movement seems likely, and if Bitcoin jumps, the entire market could follow. Now, let's talk XRP. One charting expert said it straight. XRP is looking stronger than anything else out there. This XRP/USD chart speaks for itself. Metrics don't lie. XRP keeps dominating. Plain and simple. Chart analyst Dom also weighed in, sharing a unique take with an inverted BTC by XRP chart. Most analysts wouldn't show it this way, but it's a fresh perspective on one of the hottest coins right now. This flips the script entirely. Highs become lows, and lows become highs when viewing BTC priced in XRP. Right now, it's teetering on a 1900-day support zone, barely holding on. At the moment, 35,000 XRP equals 1 Bitcoin. But if that support breaks, things could get wild. Targets point to 22,000 XRP per Bitcoin first, then potentially 10,000 XRP per Bitcoin. The big question? Can the bulls make it happen, or is this just another false start? One thing is clear, XRP is poised to outshine Bitcoin for the rest of this cycle. Why? Simple. Years of artificial suppression are finally unraveling, and XRP is catching up fast. The market's recognizing its true value, and it's going to take more Bitcoin to buy a single XRP as this trend continues. Chart analyst Art Defender shared some thoughts on XRP versus ETH, and I couldn't agree more. XRP is set to crush Ethereum this cycle. It's already outperforming ETH, but just wait, it's about to get way more dramatic. Since mid-2024, XRP over ETH has followed the third wave above the Ichimoku clouds, and Ethereum won't be able to challenge XRP's dominance again. This is just the beginning. Personally, I'm thrilled. XRP remains my largest individual position, and the outlook couldn't be brighter. At the very least, the idea of XRP vying for that coveted number 2 spot in market cap feels almost inevitable, doesn't it? Honestly, I'd be pretty surprised if it didn't happen. Imagine XRP closing in, maybe even taking aim at that position. It would be shocking if it didn't, right? Especially after everything we've seen so far. There are just so many reasons to feel optimistic about what's ahead. And trust me, it's all going to unfold this year. We've already witnessed major milestones in the past few months, but the really exciting part, the one everyone's waiting for, is just around the corner. It'll be short-lived, sure, but oh, it's coming. The best part? That's where most people will see the kind of wealth that changes lives. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't go buying or selling anything just because I said so. Seriously, that would be a terrible, terrible idea.